guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing another video. So today I'll be doing a taste test, peach milk taste test, and its flavor yogurt drink with blueberry juice, and its Nutrio goodness. And it's very cold because it came out in the freezer. So now let's get started. Okay, first you tweet this. Shake, shaking every time. Woo! Shaking. Wow! My God! The straws fall out. Wait a minute, guys. I'll just get out this. Wait. It's a hole. There is it. The judge. Let's look at it. And the straw is in the ground. Here, you not see it. Because it fall out. Look at this, guys. It's a penny with Hello Kitty channel. She's so funny. Many videos as mine. Go with the straw. Bro. Sorry. Let's open our detachment. Open up. Hey! Oh, I like the taste. And it tastes like has some milk and just blueberries, a little bit sour. I like it. I think I'm gonna buy this so much, man. I buy a strawberry this and it's for the pack. This the biggest. It's big like this one, and the strawberry is no. What is this? Pink rice. So this is all for this video, guys. Just give us a thumbs up and comment. Bye guys. Bye guys. I can't stop drinking it.